everyone. Hello, my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady J. Or if you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, area does scatter. This matter so if you know say you not get popcorn, I beg go buy popcorn. Sit down, je. May you listen to this ogbonge topic because this matter. Not say I put go for it because this matter it passed me and because of una when they go native daughter to native daughter and because of una now they do this topic so so one of the listing a video I go they play when I go they listing what married women where they go native daughter upon native daughter and because of una now they do this matter this topic so one are listening.
I mean, that must say, oh, we're not there, Italy, or you're not about women. Oh, you mean Italy? Oh, we're not. Okay.
That is what it happens so, be say, my fair tell us more. This man, when mommy Yore they call so, his wife, now he Pikin, now he give mommy Yore the number. Say, his mama go do jazz for native daughter house. From there, the native daughter come marry the mama. Wanna listen.
Ona do gume gwa pa wo ri je ne we ye gijin yo wan yo job o na iri jin so imagine we kan me no mo ijore na money no dey sort and water ladia so ona do gume le prayer me be ti ona do gume gwa na we ni kan no we ne we do ayeri oku a wa ayeri oku ma meti amo okan we do ku ebuwa ayen na ya wo bo e be do gu meri oku ati okan wa ne no bo e na we ni kan no water ne e ma fi ane o ko ma fi ane bo
mommy Yore they ask the woman husband now say you go still marry the woman if you know say you will still marry am we fit try maybe we remove your wife for that native daughter hand. But if you know say you not go marry and be gay, we feel leave her for native daughter. Now the man say he not go leave his wife for native daughter. It not dey possible. He still love his wife.
Why you okwa?
He say whether he will still marry. He say yes so. He said the woman be still pack, come. He never say yeah. You can't still pack, go back again.
I tell the pack it, but where I'm not going to go and pack it back. Yeah, I will pack it to one and pack it down. Okay, what pack it there, Ozoya? Ozoya, what pack it there, Ozoya? I'm going to say to Michelle. Oh yes, Zoya. When already since of you where you are, Zoya, where came with a bellow yangaya.
He say, Mommy already ask him now, say, when she come back again, she don't go do the normal thing where beneath people they do. Like if you shook leg for outside now. Bini you can't say me you can't kill goats, do everything, take cleanse you. He said whether he don't do one before you can't sleep with her when he come back. The man said no, 2 of them never do anything like that before she even pack, come out again. Mommy already asked the man now say, you get the native daughter number. The man say no, he don't get her, but now let your children, now go fit get the number. Gonna 5 children, now he born for the man before he can go marry native daughter now. And he does start to be born for native daughter too. Otoro dog beke o.
A number will however, whoever number will however. Abuja no. Oh no Abuja. Okay, and no bag go, no be just go away. Sister me do me no be do e send e go me. Sister where umaja no bo ami o e. Ami no bo no bo no bo ran. Ke no bo na gba no bo ran. Ba tie no bo yi, ba tie no bo.
You say since you not dash the native daughter, she will try make she call the woman. That native daughter must leave that woman for you. You understand? So you can't say she go call the woman now.
Desmond that here.
It's not Desmond baby name.
Oh, do you want to work? Obi ro ni gbegbe ki obi ro na gba do mi o ra e to no a o ra e to obi e go no obi ro agwa mi gwe ku
Anybody fit run.
wa wo ka wa ya wo be ba ipa
ana o be ya me problem o ko o wana je go iwo wana dia ri wa o wa ke wa ni pone wa ga no da ni abu ga una no go ma da o lo no go ma ta na close to one below every minute
He say, Mommy, you don't tell her, say, are you will be Oronigbe. Now, if somebody feel just come collect your pikin, your wife or your aunt, or a person, you can't say not before to say the thing a long story. Not be smart the man don't do. Now, Mommy, you come ask and say, why your wife go there, go native daughter house? He said that they are pikin where they Europe. You can't get problem. So they come they look for money up and down. Then somebody come to introduce the mama, go this native daughter place. As the mama come reach the native daughter place, native daughter now, it can't go funny, it can't go the jogodo with the woman. Not be waiting she go do again. Now they come dey. Now how to come the jogodo with the woman. And I know say many native daughter they do this thing for Nigeria well. Now you come begin the jogodo the wife. You understand? Una see una wey dey always dey go native daughter to native daughter. Una see wetin happen to this woman now.
Ijo o we ga problem le we bo na gija here ni je ya we mi niyen ba o ri se ba na eni no ya wo bo ri u ne bo na wa ri ko la wa uno mo e bi ene na uno mo e bi na bo obi o mo pa nene yo
Mommy already ask her now say how many children don born for native daughter? He say na one. He don born boy for the native daughter. What did this mama call use that kind of woman to do again? If now you where they wash me, now you go still marry that kind of woman put for house. You go still marry him. When you leave your comment if you go dey possible. But for me, I don't know when I still leave on a comment sha. Anyhow, when I reason the matter. Thank you, my darling people. Please share the video for me. Let the video go viral. Anything you wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment my wahala not the finish for inside. Abule. Thank you.